Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mukesh English. This is Mukesh Soni. Friends, in this video we are going to have a discussion of the syllabus of third semester BCA B.Sc Generic English under Bangalore City University. So the first unit you have here, Receptive Skills. Under this unit you are going to learn the reading and the listening skills, and to develop your reading and listening skills you have here two important units, two important topics. One you have here play, that is for 30 marks, and you have five persuasive speeches, that is for 10 marks. So now let's have a discussion of the unit number 1. The very first chapter under unit number 1, to develop your listening and reading skills, you have a play titled Life of Galileo, written by the famous German playwright Bertolt Brecht. Bertolt Brecht was a creative artist more than a soldier and a politician. The Life of Galileo is a masterpiece by Bertolt Brecht. It was written in 1938. The play records the tragic career of the Italian mathematician, philosopher, and astronomer Galileo. Bertolt Brecht expresses his sympathetic attitude towards Galileo's perseverance in a battle against the church. That's a very brief information about the famous play by Bertolt Brecht, The Life of Galileo, and this is for 30 marks. Now, the topic 2 under unit number 1, you have you have the persuasive speeches in your syllabus. Why? To develop your listening and speaking skills. Five persuasive speeches are prescribed in your syllabus here, in the syllabus of third semester B.Sc BCA Generic English. And the first speech you have here, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's Constituent Assembly speech on December 17th, 1946. In this speech, Dr. Ambedkar recommends a governance at a constituent assembly. He shows his concerns on drafting the constitution and his sincere proclamation about the dispute between Congress and Muslim League. Now the speech number 2, titled My Vision for India by Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. This speech was delivered on 25th May 2011 at IIT Hyderabad by Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. He mentions his three visions for India. Vision number 1, freedom. Vision number 2, development. And the vision number 3, India must stand up to the world. So those three visions are highlighted in his speech titled My Vision for India by Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Now the third speech, Sachin Tendulkar's farewell speech at Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai on 16th November 2013. A glorious career came to an end. Sachin's moving farewell speech at Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai on November 16, 2013 was really marvelous and motivational. It left millions to tears. He thanked each and every one who were important to him in his life. He retired from international cricket on this day, 16th November 2013. Speech number 4 by Malala Yousafzai's Nobel Peace Prize acceptance speech in the year 2013. So Malala Yousafzai was awarded the Nobel Prize for her fight for the rights of every child to receive an education. It was declared in 2013. The Nobel Prize was declared in 2013. She highlights the importance of girls' education. Now, the last speech you have in your syllabus here, the speech of Chief Seattle. The speech of Chief Seattle. Chief Seattle was a Coast Indian of Northwest Coast Indian of Squamish tribe, and named Seattle to the city of Seattle of which he belonged. To negotiate the treaties with the United States, he delivered a speech to the Governor Stevens in 1854. He was famous for his eloquence. Here, we shall study Ted Perry's version of Chief Seattle's speech. So this is how you have here 5 speeches in your syllabus to develop your listening and reading skills as well as the speaking skills. And you can go through you can also you can listen to those speeches on YouTube, the original speeches on YouTube. You can listen it. That's going to develop your listening skill. And this topic, the persuasive speech topic, has a weightage of 10 marks. So this is how the unit 1, which consists of play as well as 5 speeches, and the totally the unit 1 has a weightage of 40 marks. Now we are going to have a discussion of the unit number 2, titled productive skills, where you are going to enhance your speaking and writing skills. To enhance your speaking writing skills, you have here 4 important topics: presentation skills 5 marks, introduction to writing 5 marks, business correspondence 5 marks, commercial writing 5 marks. So this is how the unit number 2 has a weightage for 20 marks, whereas the unit number 1 has a weightage for 40 marks. And this is how you'll be having the question paper for 60 marks. Now let's have a discussion in detail about the unit number 2. Now, the presentation skills. So we know very well that presentation plays very important role in the communication process. And as far as the business presentation is concerned, in this topic you will learn the do's and don'ts of presentation. You learn the etiquettes of presentation, the importance of verbal and the non-verbal communication, the presentation skills, as well as you will learn how to make effective presentation and the different types of presentations, like informative presentation, instructive presentation, persuasive presentation, motivational presentation, how to prepare the PowerPoint presentation, which are the technical tools you should apply, you should employ while drafting the PowerPoint presentation. So this is about presentation skills. The next topic you have here, introduction to writing. In this introduction to writing, you will be learning here the types of writing with reference to the paragraph writing. So types of writing you learn here: descriptive writing, comparative writing, cause and effect writing. Here you will learn here, with the help of the outlines, with the help of the keywords, how to develop the paragraph with reference to the descriptive, comparative and cause and effect writing. The fifth chapter in the unit number 1, you have here business correspondence. So under this unit, you will be learning the basics of letter writing with reference to the business letters. All of you have already known, you already know how to draft letter, but in this unit specifically, you will learn how to draft a business letter, commercial letter, the do's and don'ts, the draft of the business letter, the all the components of business letter you will learn here. So you will learn here the letter of inquiry and response to the inquiry, then the order of letter, the order letter, how to draft the order letter, how to give an order for a particular product from one company to the another company. Then complaint letter, that's also called as a letter of grievance, and how to reply to the particular complaint. And finally, you have here sales letter, that is also called as a promotional letter, the promotion of your company. So in this chapter, you'll be learning here. You will be learning here significantly five types of the letter: letter of inquiry, order letter, complaint letter, reply to the letter of complaint, and sales letter. Now, the last topic of of your syllabus, I would say, commercial writing. In this unit, or in this topic, commercial writing, you will be learning how to draft an advertisement, especially the classified advertisement. For example, the to-let board, how to draft it, how to draft the content for the to-let board, how to draft the content for the rent, how to draft the content for the wanted or to the for sale, etc. Then product manual and user manual writing. Now here I would like to highlight, give some more information here. For example, you are going to launch a product like a cell phone. So how would you design the specific, how would you design the cell phone, the user manual with the specifications, with all the features, that's you are going to learn in this topic, product manual or user manual writing. Then you have here poster writing, how to design a poster or like a brochure. So these are the three important skills you are going to learn here. They are also called as a creative writing. So friends, this is how I have tried to solve, I have tried to give a glance of the third semester BC BSc generic English syllabus, and I have already prepared, already done the videos of each and every topic of this third semester. You can go through the description box, and all the links of my videos on all the topics of third semester BC BSc generic English videos links can be seen in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. You can reach me at mukeshenglish@gmail.com. Please do subscribe the channel, click on the like button for more videos on literature, workbook, pronunciation, grammar, communication skills, presentation skills, interview skills. Stay in tune with Mukesh English. Thank you once again.